How to poke someone on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to poke someone on Facebook. If you have been using Facebook for a long time, you guys can remember that there was a poke feature to start a conversation on Facebook. Now, in order to do that, you first need to open up your Facebook app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, you just want to head over to your search icon on the top right corner. And then here you are just going to search for poke. And on the very first option, you will see this pokes. Go ahead and tap on it. And it will show you entirely who has poked you previously or your poke activity. Now, if you want to poke someone, you can just go ahead and tap on the poke button right besides the name. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you poke them, they will be notified and then they will message you or they can poke you back like this. So this person has poked me last 6 days ago. So I'm just going to poke them back like this. Or if you want to find some specific friends, you can just search for the name here and find the friend and poke them like that. So that's how you poke someone on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys on the next one.